Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 20 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app and I hope that you can see those grid lines. I've applied them before starting the recording. It is because I would like to show the actual evidence that the reset option will work. So right now we are on the standard photo mode, but it doesn't really matter on which you will be, if it will be the photo or the video. We have to enter the settings which are in the right upper corner, so let's tap on it. And right now we have to tap on About. As you can see, here we've got more options and we have to tap on Reset. Your device will ask you if you really want to reset all camera settings, so just tap on Reset, and the screen flashed a little bit, so we can go back to the camera and check. And as you can see, first of all, we've got the first evidence that our device is showing us the information that we can update this app. And second of all, you cannot, I hope that you cannot see the grid lines, so it means that we just successfully reset the settings. So actually, this is it. This is how to reset camera settings in your Motorola Edge 20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.